Hey y'all, it's your girl Cobay and I'm back with another video. Per usual, I hope you all are loving the content I am putting out. If you are, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you do not miss any of my uploads. So jumping right into this video, I'm just going to do a quick video showing you guys how I make my brown sugar lip scrubs. So if you're interested to see how I make those, just keep watching.
He used to work at King of Diamonds on a Monday. Only hit the club on Saturday and Sunday. I used to pull up every week, you should have seen her.
Alright you guys, so what was me? I was filming, or thought I was filming the whole time and was not, so I'm just going to start from this step. For any lip scrub, what you're going to need is an exfoliant, so I do have the sugar for the exfoliant. You're going to need a moisturizer, and I did use my coconut oil for my moisturizer. I put enough coconut oil in there till I got it to the texture that I would like for my lip scrubs. I did add some vitamin E oil to my lip scrub, and I did add the brown sugar flavoring oil, since this is my brown sugar lip scrub. To get this coloring effect, I did add some bronze mica from TKB. I mix all of this together. As you can see, I am mixing with a fork. I did realize last minute that I didn't have any spoons. You use what works best for you, whatever gets the job done. So I do have my little containers right here that I fill my lip scrubs in, and my travel size body butters, and I'm just going to fill my lip scrubs into these containers. So I hope everyone is doing well. I'm trying to keep some content coming for you guys, definitely while we're all in the house more during these times. So per usual, I hope you are loving the content I am bringing to you guys. Lip scrubs are very essential, you guys. I personally do a lip scrub every couple of days. What people don't really think about is lip care. That is really a thing. Your lips are a part of your skin, so as any other parts of your skin, your arms, your legs, things of that nature, they do get dry, they shed skin. So doing a lip scrub, having a good schedule for a lip scrub is very essential for your lip care. I notice every couple of days my lips get dry, to where chapstick does not always help. So you definitely do want to add that lip care in there. And once you use this scrub, it gives you a smooth, clean canvas to apply lip balm, lip gloss, lipstick, or whatever you like to put on your lips. So yes guys, definitely try my lip scrub. Just gonna finish filling this container. Alright you guys, so I did finish making my lip scrubs, and these are the lip scrubs that I did make. These are my brown sugar lip scrubs, and as I was saying while I was making them, lip care is very essential to your body care. Many people do kind of skip out on that. I know, especially for people who have fuller lips, your lips tend to dry out, crack, things of that nature. Definitely exfoliate your lips. A lip scrub, lip oils, lip balms are very good essential things for your lips. So yes you guys, try out my lip scrubs. I guarantee that you will not regret purchasing them. Like I say, I do love them. I use my scrub on my lips every 2, pushing it 3 days, and as I say, once I do use a lip scrub, my lips are soft. There is no dead skin. I'm not biting at my lips, picking at my lips. I just love how they make my lips feel. So yes you guys, thank you for tuning into this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.